Do you want to type, read, or work in your own language on your computer? Whether it's English, Arabic, Hindi, Pashto, or any language, I am going to show you the fastest and easiest way to install it in your PC. Stay with me, this will take just a minute. Welcome back to your Instructor YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to install and switch between different languages on your computer, no matter where you live or which language you need. So let's start. First of all, come here to this part and click on Start menu. After clicking this, come here and click on Setting. This is my computer setting and it has been opened. Now come here to this part and find Time and Languages and click on this. Now come here to this part and click on Language. After clicking the language, come here to this part and click on Add a Language. So now here you can type every language in the world, whether it's your own or you want to install any language. Just search for it and you can find it from here. Scroll down for your favorite language and just click on your language. For example, I want to install this Arabic language. I just click on this. After choosing your language, come to this part and click on Next. Now click on Install. So now my language has been installed and now I can use my language. So let's now learn how to switch languages easily. Once you install your own language, you can switch between language by pressing Windows key plus space bar. For example, now I want to type my name here. So it is in English. Now I want to change my language to Arabic. Just I am pressing Windows key plus space bar in my computer and my language has been changed to Arabic. And that's how easy it is. Install any language on your computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more technical tips, and share this with your friends so they can use their own language too. Thanks for watching.